Today I am right here in Eden Rock Farm, which is located in Amucha, right here in the heart of Lira City. I don't know whether it's in the heart of Lira City or it's out of Lira City. But
It's in that city still.
yeah, it's in Lira City. And of course, I'm right here with Mrs. Christine Ruth. If you've been following my channel closely, I was with Christine last year around August, September there. Christine is a fruit farmer. Christine is doing quite a lot of things actually that she is going to mention. But of course, in today's video, we want to focus on manure mixing. I'm standing in what Christine calls manure mixing center. You might be seeing something indicated as stage. I'm seeing the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. And it's amazing. We're living in a world where there's a lot of things that are coming, Christine. And like in northern Uganda, if we are to look, we still have fertile and virgin land. Of course, I don't deny the fact that we still have some land also that needs improvement. But the way that we are improving this land, some are actually not very healthy. But then there's you who is improving land organically, and it's amazing. So I want you to take us through the process of making the own manure or your own fertilizers that can improve the quality of the land and make you get some quality food, organically, not adding some chemicals that in returns can bring something bad to our health. So walk us through. You'll introduce yourself and then you walk us through.
All right. Christine is my name. I'm a farmer, Lira City, as he has mentioned.
Yeah.
Lira City is where I'm farming from. I farm a lot of fruits and vegetables.
Right.
Just as you can see in the background, we have a lot of bananas. We have some avocados. So all these things we farm there. We farm them here at Eden Rock, where we are. And today, I'm grateful Charles is here with us.
Yeah.
And it's the second time he's visiting us. I'm so grateful about that. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Thank you for coming home, feel at home.
I'm feeling at home.
We thank God for that. And together, I know we are going to build the community that we need.
Yeah,
or the world that we need.
True.
So Charles, when he was introducing me, and the question that has led me in was like, people are farming. The land in northern Uganda may not be that tired, but you're mixing a lot of manure all the time. What is it? So these manures here, which I'm going to show you, they are really very good. Yes, the land may not be tired, but because we farm these lands, like you farm this season, the next season, you find maybe that is the only space you have.
True.
Like personally, the land that I have, it's something like 3/4 of an acre.
Yeah.
So I find myself I have to use it all the time.
True.
All the time. But as a farmer who want to farm in the cheapest way possible. In the cheapest way possible. When I say cheap, it should be something affordable to everybody.
Exactly, yes.
So it should be cheap, affordable, and accessible. So as a farmer who is farming in the cheapest way possible, we make our own manure.
Wow.
What we have here, they are from the kitchen remains.
Oh, okay.
Like if you have eaten potatoes, the peelings of potatoes, you collect all of them and you bring them to your manure mixing center, like here. If you have eaten maybe mangoes, like this is the mango season, if you have eaten mangoes, all those peelings, bring them at our manure mixing center.
The banana peelings.
The banana
like
peelings.
The one I had today.
You bring all those things here in the manure center.
Yes.
And we don't want to waste a lot of time. What is here, they are the peelings.
Yes.
From the bananas.
The kitchen remains.
The kitchen remains.
Yes.
They are the ones here. So these kitchen remains, We have some banana peelings in them.
Yes.
They are in here.
Oh, I see a lot of banana peelings. Yes.
We also have some banana leaves, the dry ones, which have cooked food.
Yes.
So these things right now, they have stayed just for 1 week.
Oh, 1 week?
Yes, but we decompose them for a month.
Okay.
So we put all these things in a pit.
So they are going to be here for a month?
For a month.
Yes.
Then when we are done with that, this composite, we mix it in the rainy season. Because when we do it in the dry season, it will require you a lot of water to water them to decompose very fast.
True.
Then a lot of attention, because in the dry season, you'll find the neighbors have left their chicken to look for their own food. Some people leave their pigs, some people leave their animals to move freely. So when they find banana peelings like this, they'll eat all of them. So we do this composite in the rainy season,
like this one.
Like this one here, such that we don't have to put a lot of water, a lot of energy, every day checking on it.
True.
So we collect the pit, the rubbish in a pit. We measure usually around 20 kilograms of this rubbish, of these kitchen scraps.
So this is around 20 kilograms?
It's around 20 kilograms.
Yeah.
You may ask yourself, how do we measure the 20 kilograms if we are using the cheapest means and we don't have a weighing scale? You can use a basin. These small basins for bathing. Make it full.
So that's 20.
That is 20 kilograms.
You pile it there full.
You pile it full. And you heap it very well. That will give you 20 kilograms. So after piling our 20 kilograms in a pit, and we know this is 20, we shall add some human urine. So you may say, where are we going to get human urine? Like we have the standard qualities that we use to get this quality urine. One, somebody shouldn't be drinking these hard drinks. Yes, somebody shouldn't be drinking, but juice, water, it is okay.
Alcohol.
No drinking those things. And somebody shouldn't be on medication. For example, you get some little headache and you're like, this headache is disturbing me, let me take some paracetamol. Don't give us your urine if you are on medication like that. So those are some of the standard measures we use to get this urine. Probably we always disturb the children if they are there at home. Because they tend to find it like a game. You tell them the container is there in the bathroom, go and susu in it, I collect this urine. In a day, you'll find yourself, you have already 2 liters, 3 liters, then we need 5 liters. And we shall pour 5 liters on top of these kitchen scraps. Then after we have done that, we cover them. You can use the dried banana leaves like mine here. They are dried banana leaves. If you can't find the dry banana leaves, you can also use grass. Just grass. Then you cover everywhere and you leave these things to decompose for 1 month. For 1 full month. So that is what we do. After a month, we are going to remove these things when they are all soft, they are all looking healthy, but they'll be very warm. Because we have piled them together. We had added some urine. This urine, some people may say, why are you putting it? Urine is very good in fermenting these things faster. Then urine is rich in potassium. It is rich in urea. So everything that God made is just beautiful. It's just very good. So we shall add that urine in it and we mix. Again? No. At the 30th day, we are going to remove these things from here when they are warm. Take them to your cooling center. That is our stage 3.
Stage 3 is the cooling center.
The other side. So at stage 3, we remove everything from here. We go and scatter it the other side behind. Then it cools for 1 week.
1 week.
If there is enough rain, even 3 days, 3 to 4 days is enough. But usually we recommend a week. Then after that, we can be able to distribute it in our bananas.
Oh.
We can be able to distribute it to our avocados.
Oh, okay.
You can see the beans behind here. They are all looking beautiful because they feed on these things here. The kitchen remains.
Just like that.
Just like that. So you find the cycle is just very simple. You can see where I'm farming from is a bit rocky.
Yeah, it's rocky
there
actually.
There are stones here.
But the beans are looking so healthy, so good. So look at the avocado, the banana, everything there.
Everything is just beautiful because we are giving them these remains, human urine, and we manage to farm. So
that is how easy it is to make manure.
It is very easy to make this composite manure.
Wow.
Very easy. Everyone should adopt to that.
Wow, that's very interesting.
So that's how.
Now, what's the difference between? Would you advise someone to make their own manure from home, organic like this, or buy it? What's the difference between the one that people buy from their grocery shops and this one that we use? And what could probably be the difference?
The things we buy from the shops, the conventional. They are called fertilizers, the conventional things. They are called fertilizers, the NPK, the whatever.
Right.
They are the conventional fertilizers for the gardens. Yes, they do work, but most of them cannot work for quite a longer period of time.
True.
But I'm telling you, when you mix these own things on your own, they are going to serve you at least for 1 full year.
True.
When you have not added anything in the gardens. Your gardens are going to stay looking good. You farm the first season, you farm the second season, and you still harvest. And yet they are cheap.
They are cheap. In every home, people eat all these things, the peelings.
They eat these things.
It's there.
People peel from cassava to potatoes to bananas. They eat mangoes. So everything is just all about recycling. Then again, we get food.
Yes,
and we get food.
Now, when it comes to the application bit of it, once you take them to the cooling center, they're ready after 1 week. How do you apply them?
Okay, now, like for these ones I've made, it is strictly for my fruit trees.
Okay.
So we shall dig a trench around the fruit tree.
Yes, around.
Okay. Dig a trench, measure 1 feet. 1 feet can be like your arm. From here to here.
Away from
the tree.
Okay.
So dig a trench. Then pour these fertilizers. These manures. Slowly around. Then you cover back the soil.
Someone may ask that why do you have to do it like that? You live, a distance like this. Why do you do that?
All trees, even fruit trees, even these bananas, they always scatter their roots in search for food and water.
True.
So this food, if you dig like a feet off, still it will reach. Than putting it close on the tree itself. So where the roots have gone is where you should just put the food. They'll still suck it.
That probably explains why that banana is coming this side.
It really explains why this banana is coming this side. It is seeing there is food here all the time. So you've seen it. This is the truth about it.
Okay.
So that is how we should apply these manures. And you stay with Health Gardens. Sincerely, we are working on a rocky place.
True.
That's why we are called the Eden Rock Farm. We are working on a rocky place. But God is providing us with the knowledge, the wisdom, and we are managing to farm and have food.
And you're producing amazing things in this rocky place, actually.
We just give God the glory.
Wow, that is amazing. And thank you so much, Christine, for sharing.
You're welcome.
Please note that Christine is actually having a YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about how to mix this manure from all fruits farming, vegetables, and all those, just go to Eden Rock Farm or search for Christine Roth, Irot, IROT. Subscribe to the channel. You're going to learn more and more. Christine, what's your last word for today to someone, to any farmer or to anyone who is watching us right now?
For anybody who is on this channel, Charles's channel, actually subscribe on Charles's channel.
Thanks.
Visit my page also, we farm together. My last word before I say it. I'm grateful Charles came and was like, I think we can do something together to make lives better. In the north here, farming has been still lagging. We feed from suppliers from different parts of the country.
Sure.
We get food from far places, yet we have land. So I'm encouraging everybody out there who can watch this channel, learn something. Visit my page. I have a lot of farming, simple, cheap farming skills. They are available on my channel. As told you, I'm still telling you, the channel is IROT, Erot, Ruth, Christine, Eden Rock Farm. That is my channel. I work with him when he visits me once in a while like this to join hands to make a better world to live in. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for the visit. I've really appreciated. I feel I should have given him Ocelot a goat, but I don't have goats here because they disturb bananas. So next time maybe I'll give him a bigger chicken if God allows. But I'm so grateful. Thank you for farming with me. Thank you for everything. Accepting me as a friend is also an opportunity because when I first learned about him, I'm much bigger than him.
Yeah, true.
But he accepted me and was like, you'll be my friend. I don't care whether you're elderly or what. So I'm grateful for that, Charles. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Farmers out there, let's farm. A hungry person can be an angry one. So we want to create very many smiles like mine, a big one. So the only way we can do it, we farm together.
True.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Christine is fighting so hard to create a hunger-free community in northern Uganda. If you want some quality chicken, just come here. She's right here in Amucha. And also, banana, fruits. If you want seedlings, which type of seedlings do you have?
We have jackfruit, we have apples, we have avocados, we have mulberries, we have dates, we have oranges, we have pawpaws, we have cocoa, the red one and the green one. Oh, we have a lot. Even sour soup. All those things are available. Then when it comes to bananas, the guavas,
avocado, you've mentioned that. There are many.
So when you come to all those things, if it comes to bananas in northern Uganda here, I think that's when I'm taking the lead. Anyway, I don't have a very big garden, but I found my bananas on a rocky place and they can still give us food.
Amazing.
So we have bananas, different varieties. We have a lot of things we are doing here. We are even trying passion fruits to see how they can also grow. Even apples. We want to see how we can change communities slowly by slowly.
True.
So I'm grateful for his homecoming, because here it's home. Being at Eden is home. People, you need to visit us one day and you feel at Eden. Anyway, subscribe to his channel, subscribe to my channel, look for me, and we farm together.
Thank you. And thank you for watching. Thank you, Christine. I'll see you in our next video.